Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're diving into the world of home design with a focus on one-story loft-style farmhouse ideas. If you're looking to transform your space into a refreshing haven, you're in the right place. Discover a wealth of creative inspiration as we explore innovative concepts for loft-style farmhouse living. From open floor plans to clever decor solutions, we'll guide you through the process of creating a home that combines modern aesthetics with the charm of rustic living. Our video is packed with expert tips and design ideas to help you achieve a refreshing atmosphere in your one-story loft-style farmhouse. Embrace the spaciousness, natural light, and relaxing ambience that these design elements bring. Whether you're renovating your existing home or planning a new build, we've got you covered. Join us as we showcase stunning examples, discuss design principles, and offer practical advice to elevate your home's style quotient. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your living space and make it truly inspiring. If you're passionate about home design and crave a refreshing atmosphere in your living space, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting content. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and let's embark on this exciting home design journey together.